In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DJI Tello drone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Tello can be reset, and it is a very common and effective method to factory reset this particular model of drone. So this is a bit different than the other DJI drones. All that you have to do to perform a reset on this one is to look for the power button. So usually at the right side of the screen, you will see this button that allows you to power it on or off. What you have to do is press and hold this particular button down. Just hold it down until you see some sort of indicator that the factory reset is being done. So make sure that it is powered on when you do this, and then press and hold it for 5 to 15 seconds. You will usually see the light on the drone turn on and then off and then start flashing yellow. Once you see the LED flash, this indicates that the process is being concluded. So release the power button and the Wi-Fi's settings will be reset alongside other things related to the drone. So the internal settings, the Wi-Fi name and password, and this will usually not delete any photos or videos from any inserted micro SD card. If you want to be completely safe, then you can extract all of that data onto your PC or laptop, so grab everything that is in the SD card and back it up. But like I said before, for the most part, this should not take any data that you have on the SD card itself. And as long as you press and hold the power button down until you see the indicator that the reset is being done, your DJI Tello drone will be fully reset. You will have to configure your personal settings again, so keep all of that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset DJI Tello drone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.